Do you work with Arabic contracts and documents? Do you find difficulties drafting them? Now with Bigle Legal, you can automate this entire process. Let us show you how. Here is a pre-assembled example of a purchase contract. You can see that even the questions are already assembled in Arabic. Let us first fill in the form with the relevant data. We need to make sure that everything is filled in correctly in the corresponding field. Once you're done, you can preview how your document looks like with the new information rendered in. This is your final contract, completely formatted in Arabic. With Bigle Legal document automation, you can feel at ease working with your international clients. Learn more at biglelegal.com.